I'm not the type to like to keep secrets. Y'all know I literally tell y'all everything, but I'm tapped into some Pax hair, okay? If you don't know, it has always been one of my faves, and y'all know the smell, okay? We can kind of never get rid of that. It's a thing. It low key, high key just really smells like hair, okay? Y'all know what I mean when I say that. Now, of course, I always have to start off with freshly washed hair. I've been using Olaplex to shampoo and the Design Essentials almond butter conditioner to condition. Now, of course, because my hair is actually transitioning, if you guys don't know, I have literally been transitioning my hair for almost a year now. I did not want to do a super big chop. I had a horrible experience, and by horrible meaning I just severely heat damaged my hair doing micro links last year. So, and I feel like it's not even last year. It was like coming off of the tail end of the year before. And so we're somewhere a little bit actually. Wait, did I just discover that we're a little over a year of growth? Okay. I have slowly been trimming off my hair, and I actually will be doing a bit of a trim slash cut. Okay. You already see what's going on really, really soon. So I will be happy to share that with you guys. I am just in a place of like, healthy hair is really the only way to go, and I refuse to do a style if my hair underneath is not going to be protected, healthy, and doing what it needs to do. So I'm not somebody that needs to hold on to the length. So yeah, definitely make sure that you guys turn on your post notifications so that you can also be a part of my hair journey. And some of my favorite go-to products when I'm looking for just some instant moisture is the Mizani leave-in conditioner, and I've absolutely been addicted to it's like this black castor slash tea tree oil mixture. Y'all, as soon as I put it on my hair, it instantly just feels moisturized, and it just really makes it feel like all of the moisture from that leave-in conditioner is truly locked in. Now, if you guys have not been able to tell by now, I am actually doing a quick weave. Y'all know I'm the queen of a quick weave because I like quick styles. Now, of course, you do still want to protect your hair. Just because you're doing a quick weave does not mean there needs to be any less care. So this product that I'm actually using is like a protective shield. It's literally like melted plastic, okay? If you imagine taking a saran wrap and putting it underneath your wig cap, that's essentially what this is doing. And you want to be mindful, okay? Whereas if you don't use this product, you might be able to get away with washing your quick weave with just like really cold water, as cold as you can stand it. But if you use this product, okay, you will absolutely not want to get water on the cap because, baby girl, it is going to slide off. That is what we want when it's time to remove it, but that is not what we want in between time trying to maintain it. So the reason that I'm here, of course, is to help you learn how to get this done yourself. Obviously, I'm always like, skip this along, let me teach you how. But just to even take it a step further, you guys, this is more so about the way that it makes you feel. Or should I talk about myself, okay? Because when I really, really got into the habit of doing my hair, started building the confidence just from like practicing and having that repetition, you guys, I got better and better and better. Placement is truly everything when it comes to quick weaves. You definitely want to make sure that you are curving those tracks upward because that's actually going to help frame the face a little bit more and really just kind of give you that volume around your face. Now, for me, I got a lot of face, okay, a lot of forehead. If you decide that you don't want the hair going towards your face and you want it to go away, go ahead and just literally stack those tracks more in a U shape, but definitely on the same baseline. You are not going to want to be curving those up in any type of diagonal curved motion or anything like that. But you guys, look at this hair, okay? Not only did it already come like pre-bundled, a 22, a 20 inch, and an 18 inch, I also went ahead and got an additional 18-inch bundle, which I only ended up needing just a small bit of that at the very top. But as you guys can see, this is truly quick. You should not have to really think about this too much. Remember, it is glue. If for whatever reason you put a little bit too much in one spot, it will dry down. You are protected with that, protective shield. So you have a lot of room to make mistakes in this situation. Placement is really everything. But honestly, if you decided to cut the tracks in half and do half and half, like literally, you don't have to glue down one entire track in one swoop. If you get to that point and you're able to do it, awesome. But if not, that's okay. Cut the tracks up and just get the job done. As long as everything is closed off at the top, for the most part, you're okay. The most important thing is going to be the foundation, making sure that the base is laying extremely flat, especially if you are in a situation where you're like, girl, I really, really need this baby to like be sleek, Yeah, you definitely don't want any like lumps or bumps or anything. And this even makes me think about the first time I ever got a quick weave. This girl, Ajane, did it for me. And I feel like it might have been for like a dance or something at school. And y'all, I could not contain myself when I saw the curls, the layers that she had added in. And I'm just like, oh no, I'm determined to learn how to do this myself. Do you know I spent the next 2 years of my high school life wearing quick weaves on and off, okay, that literally were horrible, okay? I remember doing a quick weave that actually had bangs, and I called myself leaving out just that little round center piece at the top of my head to cover everything. Y'all, I literally had a crater in the middle of my head. If any of you guys that went to school with me remember this, like... Trust me, I have come quite a long way in the hair department. Even when I look back to my old videos, y'all, if you ever have nothing to do, okay, if you are ever in a situation like, let me see what Chrissy used to do, okay, literally go to my channel, click oldest videos, and y'all will see where it started to where we are now. Back when I had unmicrobladed brows, y'all, it's been a journey, okay? So I have literally been learning along the way, just the same as you guys. And when it comes to blending your hair, I feel like this is the key. The Kenra flat iron spray, baby, that is always going to do the job. The Kenra working spray has really become my favorite. It dries super, super quickly. You guys saw I hit it with a blow dryer just because I didn't want my hair to make a sizzle sound in case there was a little bit too much product buildup. So I dried that down, silk pressed it out. And remember, I did add on the grip comb to my Baby Bliss flat iron. If you guys didn't get a chance to check out that video, definitely make sure you check it out on Instagram just so that you guys can see how it even transformed my natural hair. So I did do a silk press there in case you guys missed it, but girl, okay, you guys, I'm just so happy to continue to be able to share these videos with you guys. When you send me the videos and the photos, it truly warms my heart just to see how much of an impact I truly am making with you guys. Listen, practice makes perfect. So for everyone that's like, Chrissy, I don't think I can do it. Listen, when you have a moment, okay, because y'all know it's gonna take longer than a moment, let's be real. When you got about 2 or 3 hours and you just want to try something new, do it. Literally send me a message. I have no problem. Y'all know I like to talk, okay? I have no problem walking you through step by step to the best of my ability. I have done it so many times. It truly warms my heart just to really see that, like, this is helping somebody, okay? Y'all can already see the blend was doing everything I needed to do. And if you don't know, okay, because my hair is naturally on that kinkier, very textured, frizzy side, I typically prefer to go with some type of like yucky textured weave just because I find that it blends even better. So this is the Brazilian straight hair, of course. And you guys, I was so surprised at just how nicely it still ended up blending, but I want to show you a little trick. So if you are ever in the situation, whether your hair is long, short, and you need a little pick me up for that blending, go ahead and cut a track. Obviously measure the space, put a little glue on it, heat it up just so it gets tacky so it doesn't run all over your scalp. Place that baby exactly where you want it and flip your hair right over it. When I tell you the blend is ridiculous, okay? You're not gonna know where your hair starts and where it ends, which is the whole goal. Now, of course, I did this on both sides. It does actually create just a little bit more volume too, nothing too crazy. Obviously, if you're laying it flat ironing that baby out, everything should still be smooth and seamless. Look at that. Not a baby hair in sight. Y'all, this looks so good, so seamless, effortless. And you already know, okay, I never feel like I'm done with the style until I have actually shaped it. So you already see I kind of shaped the bottom and then I added some rough layers just to frame the face. I did not go all the way around the head because I knew that I was mostly going to be wearing this in just like a very like down, chilled, relaxed, nothing too crazy. So I wanted to keep it, you know, just very relatable. All right. Nobody's going to be curling this each and every day. But y'all, I was super excited with the way everything looks. I took a brush just to like really make sure that everything was blended out. Obviously, don't break your arms. If you don't have to, if you need some help, just ask one of your homegirls, your friend, brother, cousin, mama, okay? Can you just cut this straight across? Literally, those are the instructions. Cut this straight across, just that simple. Now, I don't know if y'all know, but this is an old school trick. Back in the day, we would take a little bit of the edge control, just on our hands, just a teensy tiny bit, and actually smooth it over the tops of your hair to even help further with the blending. Obviously, the product is going to slowly move its way down the shaft of the hair as well. So just be mindful of how much you use, because you're going to be thinking of it as like a wax stick. You know how the wax sticks can get overly waxy. Y'all know by day 2 how greasy it can get. Now, I don't want that for you, sis, okay? So definitely make sure that you are light-handed with it. The working spray is not tacky at all. It actually even adds a little bit of a sheen to it. Just be mindful, if you spray too much in one spot, your hair will revert, okay? So best bet is going to be to make sure you blow dry your hair out, get it nice, dry, then go through with that flat iron, curling rod, and y'all, we got a situation. We have a situation on our hands, okay? And of course, a look would not be a look until I gave you another look, okay? I can't remember where I got this dress from. Everything in me wants to say it's from Chic Le Freak. Like, not freak like freak, but like FRIQ something something. I'll try to find the link for you guys and just put it in the description box, because the colors, it definitely popped, did everything it needed to do. Y'all, I am like obsessed with this. I love good hair days, and honestly, I don't feel my best until my hair is somewhat done. If my hair is not moisturized, my face is not washed, my teeth are not brushed, I mean, I just don't feel like Chrissy. Like, is the day even started? Okay, y'all. Moments like this I love, because I could have absolutely taken this up a notch, added some curls, even more layers, but it's something about a simple bust down, light layers. Y'all, get into the flow. Of course, all of the details to the hair will be listed down in my description box below. You can absolutely find this in your local beauty supply store. Y'all, I am just so happy, so grateful. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty, and I'll see you next time.